everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, Google just wrapped up their special Android show event, giving us an early look at what's coming to our phones and other devices, especially with Android 16. If you missed it, then here are top 7 announcements you need to know about. Number 1 is the biggest Android redesign in years, Material 3 Expressive. This was the star of the show. Android 16 and Wear OS 6 are getting a major visual overhaul with Material 3 Expressive. It builds on Material U with more vibrant colors, playful and fluid animations that react to your touch, and enhanced typography. It's all about making your device feel more personal, dynamic, and just fun to use. Google calls it one of their biggest design updates in years. Number 2 is Gemini in your car and on your TV. Gemini Live is coming to Android Auto and cars with Google built-in. This lets you have real-time conversations with Gemini while you are driving for things like navigation help or sending messages. On Google TV, Gemini will help you find shows, answer questions about actors, and more, making your TV smarter. Number 3, Gemini is going everywhere. Google's powerful Gemini is expanding its reach. It's already your default assistant on phones, but now it's coming to the upcoming Android XR platform for more helpful conversational AI experiences no matter which Android device you're using. Number 4, Find My Device evolves into Find Up. The familiar Find My Device network is getting a big upgrade and a new name, Find Hub. This is going to be your central spot for tracking not just your phone and tablet, but also compatible accessories and item trackers. They are adding better support for super accurate UWB tracking and even satellite connectivity to help you find things when you are off the grid. They also tease partnerships with airlines and even Disney for tracking. Number 5, security and privacy are getting tougher. Google is serious about keeping you safe. They are making their AI-powered spam detection in messages and calls even smarter to catch those tricky scams. There's a new key verifier tool for more secure communication, and they are adding extra protection during calls from unknown numbers to prevent bad actors from tricking you into changing settings. Number 6, smarter notifications and UI tweaks. Android 16 is bringing some nice touches to how we use our phones every day. We will see more customization options for your home screen and quick settings, making it easier to get to what you need fast. A live updates feature will put important notifications like your food delivery status or rideshare ETA right on your lock screen, so they are super easy to see at a glance. Number 7, Wear OS 6 gets a makeover and more. It wasn't just about phones. Wear OS, that's the software for smartphone like the Pixel Watch, is getting updated to Wear OS 6. It's getting the same new design language as phones, making everything look smarter and more dynamic on that round watch face. Plus, Google mentioned some improvements for better performance and even better battery life. These are the top 7 announcements from the Android Show I/O edition. Lots of exciting stuff coming to Android devices soon. Remember, Google I/O is still happening next week, so we might hear even more about Android XR and other cool tech. What are you most excited about from the list? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to Algorithm Live, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.